Good morning, retail traders. I'm here to talk about AMC today, Sneaky Snake Trading Strategy, where we talk about chart patterns, moving averages, and being in the now. Right now, I'm going to go out with Taylor Swift, but I don't think I'll ever have a chance. It'd probably be a one-night stand anyway. But I digress. We're going to talk about the stock itself. AMC, I think it's got a good catalyst for a good little run right here. Now, I've been very bearish on this stock ever since they had that split. Now they're coming out with some good news. I'm hearing that there's insider buying going on. Institutions are buying it. That's just a sound. That sound to me like it's going to have a good bounce. Plus this action going on with Taylor Swift right now. AMC raises $325 million selling stock ahead of the Taylor Swift film. So that's going to be released. Going to be a lot of people interested in that. AMC Holdings raises $325 million, a sale of 40 million shares, to a move that said would address the cash crunch that the movie theater industry rebounds. And it is the season right now, I think, when movies start to pick up in the wintertime. There's not much to do but go out to the theater and watch a movie. I don't watch movies. I haven't watched movies, and I can't tell you the last movie I watched. I really can't. I don't sit down. I don't have the time to sit down and watch a movie for 2 hours or whatever it takes. Plus, I'm not into Hollywood. But when you see a stock that's at a buy price, you want to look at it, and especially when it's got a lot of good news coming out on it. Now, I called this out on Monday in the room. I said, keep a good eye on this thing, and we've had nothing but a bounce from the $7.05 area. Now we're up, and I'm long on this stock, and we're getting ready to break a resistance. We're going to pull up the 20-day, 1 hour. We got a lot of room to climb on this stock. I'm going to base target resistance to break, and we're going to clean this up right now. We're going to definitely come up here and hit this 200. So we got a $10 price target. And if we break that 200, I think the hard resistance to go for would be right around 1072. Let me get this price line on here. I'm going to the bottom of this channel right here. So I want to be pretty precise with it. And I'm going to take it off the bottom of that candle, that red candle right there. So we're looking at 11 bucks. I kind of like that other one better that I gave, but let's see what that one is. $10.85, yeah. So that's going to be our channel of resistance between $10.85 and $11.06, somewhere in there. And I think, let me see, go back and pull this off here. Go back to the daily. So we got to break the 9 on the daily. So I'm going to take all this off again. We're going to redo this. I think we got to break the 9, and that's going to be the bottom of this channel right here. Right around 1034. I'm confident with that number. Maybe a little bit lower, right where that 9 is. And it could be right at 10 bucks. So that when the $10 appears, that means if we can break that 10, we'll get new investors involved in this trade. Miss Vegas taught me that when I traded with her for 5 years. That $10 is a very important place that needs to break to bring in new traders. So let's go ahead and have a price target to 10, and if it breaks 10, we can bring it up to this higher next level, which is right around 1380, and that's when you'll find some kind of resistance. And if you swing it long, I'd go in small and add on if the trend keeps going, or however you like to trade. But if we can break that 1380, the next resistance line is going to be right up here on the 21 SMA. So that's AMC. Now the support level on this trade right now, we're going to go back to the 5 minute, 5 day. And I'm looking at support no lower than probably right around 8.11 for today. $8.11. If we do decide to have a pullback, I think that'd be a good strong buy to get into this trade and run it up. Your first support being right here at 8.33. So that's AMC. Strong buy between 8.10, what is that? 8.11 and 8.33 with a resistance to break of $10 to 13.80 and then to that 21 EMA. And that'll be right around 13.80. So that's it for AMC. I wish everybody a great trading day today. And just be very careful. I think we're going to have a green market here for the next couple of weeks. We'll just have to see. Have a great day. Sneaky snake trading strategy.